Video number 3. What is the quotient of 1,224 divided by 3? All right, same thing. I'm thinking, what can I multiply 3 times to get close to this? Well, I notice I've got a 12, so I know 3 times 4 is 12, so I can use these facts, these patterns of going up 10 times more to get 3 times 400 equals 1,200. So I put my 400 up here, 1,200, and I only have 24 left over. And if you know your 3 times table as well, then you're knowing that 3 times 8 is 24, and I have no remainder. I add my partial quotients. So I believe that 1,224 divided by 3 equals 408. And the reason I say that I believe that is because I haven't checked it yet. So now I'm going to multiply 408 times 3 and check my answer. And this is the same as 400 plus 8, and I'm multiplying both times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 400 is 1,200. Making sure to line up my place value carefully. And I get 1,224, which is the same as my starting number. Right? So if this divided by this is this, then I can say that this is true also. Here's a little fact family. All right, next one. What is the quotient of 57 divided by 6? 57 divided by 6. I could just count up by 6s, but I could also use an area model, right? If you're not feeling very confident about your division, you can just break this up into small pieces. I could try 6 times 10, but I would see that that's too big. So the best thing to do would be to try 6 times 9 next, which would be the right thing, or the best thing, not necessarily the right thing. If you're using the partial quotients method, you can start really small. Let's try 6 times 3. That's 18. Have to regroup. And I have 39 left over. Well, I know 6 times 5 is 30. Right? I'm just breaking this into smaller and smaller pieces. 6 times 1 is 6. I have 3 remaining, right? This is smaller than this. I add my partial quotients, and I get 9, remainder 3. Remember I said 9 would be the best thing to use? I knew it. So now if this equals 9, remainder 3, then that means that 9 times 6 plus 3 should equal 57. Well, let's double check. 9 times 6 is 54, plus 3 is 57. Yep, all good.